Hey guys, welcome back to another video, another camping video. It's a long weekend, it's Easter weekend and we're going camping at Kimby, and we're really looking forward to it. We're going to go sit around a fire, relax, enjoy the atmosphere. I got my rod set up, I got plenty of lures. I went and bought some new lures, so I'm ready to catch some bass. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Kick back, relax, get a drink, get a snack and enjoy. Amazing, we made it. Wow, how good does it smell out here? Look at this. Shit looks like weed, I'll be honest. It even smells like it. Alright guys, so we need to get some firewood now for our fire that we're going to build over here. We're going to go and have a look, so let's go check this out. Alright, so we need to find a log. There's one over there, just through the bushes, you can just see it. But I don't really want to walk through there. So let's get
Snakes.
Snakes, yeah.
Goats. No, probably not goats.
Well look, it's our only real hope, isn't it? That's a bit high up in the tree. Oi, that got hit by lightning. Look at the burn marks in it. Dead set, that got hit by lightning. Surely, what else would that be? It's like wedged in between the other trees. Do some lugging. I tell you what, I have to go back and sharpen this because it's so blunt. I have to sharpen it, then we can cut that log up over here. Whoa, holy shit, it just went out. There we go. There we have it. It's our kitchen set up. So we're actually getting a bit hungry now, so we thought we'll start cooking, and we're having spaghetti bolognese. We have a bit of onion, bit of onion. So I'm actually also going to chop up chili. It's the only way. Let's try it. We've actually got some diced tomatoes here. Annalisa, 100% Italian tomatoes. If you ever want to have the best spaghetti bog of your life, put this can in it and it'll change your life. You'll never go back. A half a kilo of butcher mince. the good shit. Number 3, that's the best shit. Number 3, the best pasta you can get. Actually also got here concoction of things from home. Minced garlic, mixed herbs, Worcestershire sauce, tomato sauce. It looks like shit. It is shit. You've got to put a fresh tomato in your spaghetti bowl. Look how it goes. Couple of coals. Closer to the fire. The can oven straight on top. Fire started. I tell you what, if you're ever out in the bush and you need to get a fire going, literally air. Blower. Open this up now. Chuck in some oil. Right, good amount because we're cooking on coals. Straight in. Just that. Oh yeah. Gotta go a bit of salt. Season the meat, black pepper. These coals really get it cracking just for a little bit. Yeah, look at that meat now. We're gonna go in with our onion, our fresh chili, and then that tomato.
Oh yeah.
Go in with the sauce. The one and the only sriracha. Just a bit of a squirt of that. If you could smell it, it's just next level. The secret ingredient to the best spaghetti bolognese you ever have. Ooh. Mix that in. Look at that.
Warming.
All we need to do is cook a bit of pasta now. Happy days. We're putting in a little bit of red wine and it's called Annie's Lane Adelaide. This is gonna make it go a bit darker and little glug like that. Yeah, we'll see you back here shortly. Look at that, that's finished product there. Oh, it's gonna be absolutely amazing. Out of camping, having a big spaghetti bolognese. You can't beat that. Okay, the next one. Gotta get the cheese on it. Okay, you gotta do a little bit of black pepper. The old chili flakes. Now that is what you call a feed. Ready? Give it a mix in with the pasta. Check that out. I mean, it's gonna be probably boiling hot.
Oh my god.
That is insane. I tell you what would top that off. Fresh jalapenos. Wow. Rochelle, you'd just be dying just looking at this.
I gotta wait.
We gotta film, girl. Alright. Well, we're actually gonna probably call it a night, have dinner, sit by the fire, and then go to bed. And we'll see you in the morning. We've got a big day tomorrow. We're doing some fishing and we're cooking up the best breakfast right on the water. I brought my barbecue. We're gonna have a good day. Hope you's enjoying. Make sure if you are enjoying this, you leave a like and subscribe. That'd be awesome. And then comment, what have you cooked in a camp oven? Anyways, we will see you in the morning. Say goodbye, Rochelle.
Bye.
Righto, so gonna do a little rig. Gotta get some of these. They make life so much easier. What a day to be alive. Enjoying life. Beautiful. Got a leader set up. Happy days. Yeah, but I'm thinking by the looks of that, I honestly like the look of that one. The little brown boy. Little brown baby. There we go. Look at that. Tell me, is that the killer of killers right there? Yee-hee-hee! Yeah, here we go. Got a little bit of a beach here. Awesome. Right, I'm thinking straight across there. Straight in the tree. Straight in the bloody tree. You're kidding me. Oh, you are joking, aren't you? Look at that, second cast or something gone. I'm going to get it. I'm not losing my brand new lure. I can't believe that. Second cast and I landed straight in a tree. Across the water, in the freezing cold water, and retrieve my lure.
Man, burst wild shit happening over here. He's camouflaged. Got it!
Got it!
Woohoo!
Now I'm gonna get down.
He got it, guys, he got it! Woohoo!
Got it. That was a mission.
Papa! Babe, don't drink that. Here he is, the champion.
That was crazy. That was full on. Like, I don't know what it looked like from over here, but that was sketchy. Put it back on and cast it into another tree. Tie it back on. Go back up to this little beach. A bit cold, there's plenty of bugs on the surface of the water. I'm gonna walk out a bit. Perfect spot, man. Pretty much, I think bass, when you cast and you just hit the surface, I'm pretty sure they sort of bite straight away. Do you like walking in the rain? When you think of love, do you think of pain? This body is yours and mine. I tell you what, I'm probably just scaring the fish. You've got to have a little tenderness. Let's go have a little wander and see what that is. It's something white. Better not be like a human head or some shit. This might be a good spot to cast. I don't know what that white thing is. See that white thing over there? Maybe it's foam or something, froth. Holy shit! I should have been snagged then, I tell ya. Like, do they like fast moving bait? Slow. Dunno. Brandon, tell me. Whoa. Yeah, we might cook up a barbie, I think. Come cook up a barbie. Cook up a barbie right here or what? couple of tips. With your grill, don't ever use soap on it. And see that black shit? You want it to be black. And then make sure whenever you leave your grill, make sure you leave a coating of oil on it so it seals it. Bacon from the butcher is just amazing. Have a look at that bacon. That's butcher bacon. Beautiful. I don't like my bacon too crispy. I like it chewy. One egg. Love me eggs. Good little tip is you chuck these, get one of these racks, and it drips all the fat. Look at those eggs. Crispy fried eggs. Oh, it's done. 2 fried eggs for me. Unreal. 2 runny fried eggs, crispy and chewy bacon with a delicious sausage. Now let me just do this for you because you've got to see this. Bang. Just running. My God. Those eggs, eh? Look at the bottom of these eggs. Just crispy fried, yum. Well guys, I'm actually going to end this episode now. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And if you have, make sure you leave us a like. Consider subscribing. Yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Catch ya.